In this video, I'll show you how to use NordVPN for free. But before that, let me tell you that NordVPN is currently offering a 63% discount on its 2-year plan. It's the highest discount you can get on a NordVPN account. All you have to do is click the coupon link in the description to take advantage of this offer before it expires. You can also get NordVPN for free for 37 days, using a free 7-day trial and a 30-day money-back guarantee. By using this method, you will be able to use NordVPN across any device. You will need to download NordVPN on your Android device for this to work. It is also important to make sure that this account does not already have any NordVPN accounts registered. Once you download the app and create an account, your free 7-day trial will begin. Afterwards, you can use NordVPN on other devices too, by simply downloading the app and logging in with your current credentials. As soon as the trial period ends, the normal plan will begin. Luckily, there's a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you have a month to ask for a refund. As a result, you can get 37 days of NordVPN for free. That's plenty of time to give it a try. If you like NordVPN, then you can keep using it, or else you can try Surfshark VPN, which is again one of the best VPNs currently available. Surfshark VPN is also currently available at a massive discount, which you can take advantage of by clicking the coupon link in the description. So, that's it. This is how you can use NordVPN for free for 37 days. Do like, share and subscribe to get more tutorials and discounts. Do comment if you have any questions regarding how to use NordVPN. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the next video.